Details emerged show that Binance sent more than $33 million in XRP to an unknown wallet. Unknown wallets received more than $33 million in XRP tokens from Binance, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, in a string of high-value transactions that captivated the XRP community. The well-known service that monitors significant cryptocurrency transactions, Whale Alert, brought attention to these transactions. Investors and analysts are wondering if the transfers are a sign that XRP whales are planning to accumulate in the hope of a price rally. The 3 independent transfers totaling over $33 million were reported by Whale Alert in their tweets. 20,634,685 XRP, 21,235,383 XRP, and 22,555,390 XRP. The wallet owners of these funds are still unknown. These shifts are noteworthy for more than just their magnitude. They also indicate a possible indication of optimism regarding XRP's potential in the market. A small increase to XRP's price occurred during the execution of these large-scale transfers, with a growth of 1.84 in the previous 24 hours and 5.24 over the past week. The current price of XRP is at 5 cents. The 24-hour trading volume of XRP has increased by 2043 and is now at $985,788,070, coinciding with this price change. Open interest for XRP has also surged significantly, according to statistics from CoinGlass, rising 539% to $640.67 million in the past day. These changes have occurred as the cryptocurrency industry as a whole has been very bullish, with Bitcoin's price breaking $50,000 not long ago. Nevertheless, XRP has not yet witnessed a huge surge similar to those observed on the overall market, despite the encouraging signals and heightened activity surrounding it. Because of this disparity, investors and market watchers have been looking more closely at the data. According to industry experts, whales may be buying XRP in anticipation of future market changes or catalysts that could cause its price to soar. Those trying to predict market mood and trends pay close attention to these kinds of massive acquisitions, since they tend to occur before times of volatility or substantial price fluctuations. The demand for Bitcoin on Wall Street is about 13 times greater than supply. The amazing rate of acquisition by Wall Street of the digital asset, according to Financial Guru, is 12 times greater than its daily output. Wall Street is reportedly buying Bitcoin at an unprecedented rate, according to industry expert Anthony Pampliano. Big money is starting to have faith in cryptocurrencies' future thanks to the upcoming halving event and the recent approval of exchange-traded funds. And as a hint of this growing belief is this relentless accumulation. Picture this. In April of 2024, Bitcoin will go through its halving, which will result in an unprecedented influx of new currency. Basically, this is what transpires. There will be a constant decline in the total supply of Bitcoins until the reward for mining them reaches a fixed amount of 21 million, which happens every 4 years. Since there is a greater demand than supply, institutions expect prices to rise due to the inherent scarcity. For organizations, this is a major selling point. Wall Street is really excited about the King coin, as Anthony Pampliano pointed out in his recent interview on CNBC's Squawk Box program. According to him, Bitcoin is very popular on Wall Street. Their daily Bitcoin purchases exceed the network's production capacity by a factor of 12. Pampliano claims Bitcoin was trading for $49,000 based on data from CoinGecko. In A16, this is an increase of 3 in the last 24 and 7 days. A watershed moment came with the launch of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in early 2024. By utilizing exchange-traded funds, which offer a straightforward alternative to directly buying the asset, traditional investors can gain exposure to the digital asset. Now, the majority of Bitcoins, more than 475,000, are held by Grayscale, the biggest cryptocurrency asset manager. Heavyweights like Fidelity and BlackRock, both of which have large holdings, are in third and second place, respectively. However, ETFs aren't the only ones. More than 174,000 Bitcoin units have been amassed by other financial firms, including VanEck and ARC Invest, who are starting to dabble with Bitcoin. A large portion in a market known for its limited availability, these acquisitions add up to over one of Bitcoin's total supply. According to TradingView.com's weekly chart, the current price of BTC in USD is $4,900. Rising to new heights as the premier cryptocurrency asset requires a strategic stance that is both a response to the halving and an expectation of what is to come. Along with its current worth of $50,000, Pampliano and other experts in the field believe Bitcoin can reach even greater heights. The logic that underpins this is simple. Fundamental economic theory implies that prices can rise in response to a combination of falling supplies caused by halving and rising demands from institutions. Amidst all the bullishness, though, there's a word of caution. The notoriously wild price swings that Bitcoin is known for continue to make it an extremely unpredictable investment. Since governments and central banks are still attempting to find their way around the Bitcoin world, regulatory ambiguity is another potential outcome. Also, we must not forget that there is a lack of knowledge regarding the potential long-term consequences of widespread cryptocurrency. Because of this, before you put your money into Bitcoin, remember the hazards. Despite the fact that there has been an uptick in confidence on Wall Street regarding Bitcoin, whether Bitcoin is suffering yet another roller coaster ride or has achieved new heights, an extensive research strategy and a methodical approach are vital components of any investment. One thing is certain, Wall Street is right in the thick of things when it comes to the race for digital gold. For the first time in almost 2 years, the price of Bitcoin has jumped over the 50,000 barrier, creating a sensation in both the cryptocurrency market and more conventional financial sectors. Many alternative cryptocurrencies have also seen price rallies in response to the recent upswing in Bitcoin's value. But while the price of cryptocurrencies has been skyrocketing recently, many are starting to worry if this increase can last or if a sharp decline is imminent. We may look at the data and the opinions of experts to figure out what Bitcoin could do next. Investors are on edge and watching every move closely as the indicators go from bullish to cautious. In addition, the Coinbase premium gap hit a new high on February 12, which shows that Bitcoin is in strong demand and costs a premium. In the meanwhile, investors are keeping a careful check on a number of indicators such as the relative strength index and the fear and greed index to better understand how the Bitcoin currency price could respond to these developments. Investors are incredibly greedy as the fear and greed index for Bitcoin was hovering around 80. At 72, the wider cryptocurrency market was in an overbought condition as indicated by the RSI 78. Nevertheless, it is prudent to exercise caution due to the ongoing increase in the price of Bitcoin. As a result, market sentiment is still quite vulnerable to volatility, including profit taking and the specters of dread, uncertainty, and doubt. Amid the entire buzz, experts are urging investors to proceed with care, stressing the need for a level head while dealing with the unpredictable cryptocurrency market. Many cryptocurrency market analysts are predicting that Bitcoin will keep moving upwards due to its current trajectory, sailors' daring movements, consensus opinion, and market factors. The most recent shift, according to prominent analyst Ali Martinez, is from fear to belief, and this is only one of many emotions that Bitcoin holders go through during optimistic moments. Bitcoin long-term holders can find X on the new Pal Ali charts. Plus, this viewpoint is consistent with what stock money lizards have said, which is that $50,000 is not the finish line. The value of Bitcoin, according to my crypto forecast, will fall below the $50,000 mark even, while the value of other cryptocurrencies is rising. That's all for now.